Hi, so I'm Kirsten Peck, and I am a high school teacher here in beautiful St. Petersburg, Pinellas County, Florida. I'm sitting out here on the water. It's absolutely gorgeous morning today. And I am challenging 13 to 15-year-old teenagers. I have a challenge for you if you are struggling in high school. If you're an 8th grader, not sure what's going on, hate middle school, or a 9th grader, you're really, again, in this what's going on, I'm not sure what's this all about. This is really for you. So I'm looking for 13 to 15-year-olds who need a little bit of extra coaching, a little bit of extra help to get past whatever those hurdles are that are holding you back, or whatever challenges that you face that you're not sure quite how to handle to the best way you can in order to make them turn around. I've got a new program. It's a 31-day challenge. It's going to require about 15 minutes a day for you to read a few things that I've put together and answer some questions really about yourself. It's about finding yourself and challenging yourself to find your best future and to make the plans to make it all happen. I'm that kind of a coach that wants to help you along the way and give you the insider tips to high school and to making your dreams really come true. I've had lots of students that I've helped really turn their lives around. Some have even said I've saved their lives, which is part of why I'm making this challenge, is because a lot of things about life people just don't learn. Or they don't believe about themselves. And I can tell you, I believe in you. I know that you can reach inside yourself and make incredible things happen. That's part of why I'm sitting out here in the sunshine this morning, is getting some of this good energy into me to make me stronger and to make me smarter. And being able to think and come up with solutions and really express yourself well, and being able to really put your best foot forward, or your best self forward in your heart, in your mind, and in what you do and the things you say, and really where you're headed in the future. That the future is yours. It's up to you, and I can help you find the way if you're struggling and not sure exactly what's the best thing to try. So check out my website, askmisspeck.com, and I hope you'll join me on my 31-day challenge. It's a Smart Start challenge. I want you to get a smarter start in life so that you can really have the life of your dreams. It's possible. Anybody can do it. So check out my website, get in the challenge now, okay? I'll see you on the inside.